There was no love for the US dollar this week as daily coronavirus cases in the US climbed to a record high above 72,000. There will be economic consequences. Consumer confidence has already taken a hit, with the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index falling in July. As for the US dollar index, it closed at the mark of 96.01 against other currencies, showing the decrease by 0.66% over the week. The American dollar index remains under heavy pressure around the 96 points region. The CARES Act has largely kept the economy sheltered from a contraction, but with many benefits disappearing, the US dollar could fall further until new stimulus measures are announced. In their first face-to-face summit since the coronavirus outbreak in Europe, leaders have framed the summit as a make-or-break moment for nearly 70 years of European integration. The euro-US dollar pair finished the week at 1.1431, with the increase by 1.1% over the week. The US dollar weakness took the euro higher. Investors hope that European leaders will agree on a €750 billion COVID-19 stimulus package. If the deal breaks down and nothing comes out of this weekend's meeting, the euro-dollar pair traders will be disappointed and will drive the currency pair lower. In the meantime, the analysts consider the pound to be more influenced by domestic factors. They see rising prospects of negative interest rates from the Bank of England, as the central bank appears reluctant to continue with the quantitative easing program. As for the pound-greenback pair, it closed the week at the benchmark of 1.2568, so the investors can see the slide by 0.4% Monday to Friday. Incoherent government policy on COVID, a budget deficit profile that is worse than most other major economies, and rising Brexit uncertainties all point to the pound being singled out as higher risk than most other G10 currencies. Bitcoin fell by 0.7% on Sunday. After the rise by 0.24% on Saturday, it ended the week down by 2%, having hit the price of $9,126.70. Analysis have shown that Bitcoin looks primed to see a macro rally despite the ongoing uncertainty and lack of volatility. It has already lost a significant portion of its dominance against other altcoins. After trading sideways for such a long time, many coins are taking advantage of the situation to create massive rallies. Elsewhere in commodities, oil futures declined on Friday. The Brent oil futures finished the session at $43.12 a barrel. As you can see, it dropped by 0.23% as compared to the close notch a week before. WTI crude fell by 0.16% on Friday to end at $40.59 a barrel. For the week, it lost 0.1%. Meantime, gold cost $1,812.10 an ounce at the session close on Friday, so the week change amounted to plus 0.45%. If the data from the US reflects that rising coronavirus cases in the US in July impacted the activity negatively, the US dollar could gather strength against its peers and drag gold versus the dollar lower. You've watched the combined review of currency and commodity markets on Insta TV. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.